Okay, so this is video number 2. Yung mga numerical methods na pag-aaralan natin in solving roots of nonlinear equation, actually, there are 2 general classification of these methods. So, we have, first one is the bracketing method. Bracketing method. So, parang pangit yung... And then, ano ba yan? So, pasensya na kasi this is my first time in recording videos for online platform. Okay, so bracketing method, and then pangalawa kay yung open method. So I will give you an overview of these 2 method. Sa bracketing method, we will need to provide 2 initial guesses. So 2 initial guesses. And also for this open method, magpo-provide ka ng 2 initial guesses as part of the solution. But dito sa bracketing method, kailangan yung dalawang initial guess mo na yan will bracket the root. So, ibig sabihin, these 2 initial guesses must be on either side of the root. So, if the root is, the value of the root is 2, your 2 initial guesses might be, pwede siyang 0, and then 6, no? Not necessarily very close to the root, kasi, diba, hindi naman natin alam kung ano yung value ng root. So, i-bracket lang natin, even though it's far sa root. So, pwede siya as long as it brackets the root. Yun yung sa bracketing method. While sa open method, magpo-provide ka ng 2 initial guess. So, let's say this is our root. Yung mga guesses natin, not necessarily brackets the root. So, pwede siyang -1, and then, pwedeng 0. Or, yan. O di kaya, 3, hindi. Oh yes, 3 and 5. So, itong 3 and 5, initial guess but does not bracket the root. So, those are the yun yung overview ng dalawang method na yan. But, as a prelude to this method, we must first discuss about yung graphical methods. Kasi mas maintindihan natin yung dalawa, yung bracketing and open, if we had comprehend these graphical methods. So, sa graphical methods, so by the term itself, no, graphical. So, we are, kailangan natin mag-graph. I-graph yung function, yung nonlinear function na yun. Okay, so according to this, to estimate the root of the function or equation f of x equals to 0, make a plot of the function and observe where it crosses the x-axis. This point, which represents the x value for which f of x equals to 0, provides a rough approximation of the root. Okay, provides a rough approximation of the root. So, ibig sabihin pala, if meron kang function, f of x, so, kuha ka ng mga points, substitute different values sa x, and then get f of x, then you plot i-plot mo yung mga points na yun. So, let's say, ang plot is ganito, no? This is your graph. So, yung root natin, it's actually the value of x that when substituted to the function, it will be equal to 0. And in the graph, makikita natin yung root doon sa point kung saan na 0 ang y-axis, no? Or kung saan yung graph nag-touch sa x-axis. Okay? So, yan siya. Yan yung way para sa graphical method. So, using this graph, you can provide a rough approximate or rough estimate of the root. So, pwede mong sabihin na, baka ito yung root, baka 4.7. No? Yun siya. However, maganda raw yung graphical techniques. However, they are not precise. They are not precise. No, actually, when you use graphical methods and then gamitin mo yung own judgment mo to determine this one, rough estimate lang yung na-obtain mo na value. However, it can be utilized to obtain rough estimates of roots. And if you are actually using a software that could graph the function, a certain function, may mga software kasi na pwede mo lang i-point yung cursor mo sa area, i-point mo lang yung cursor mo doon sa point na nag-touch sa x-axis, mabigyan kanya ng coordinate, no? Mabigyan kanya ng coordinate x, y. So, if that's the case, makuha mo yung root. Siya yung x dito. Diba? Okay, so with the use of graphing softwares or pwede rin sa isang programming language sa Python, i-code mo siya to graph. Maybe it can give you the exact root based on the graph. Okay, so I will cut this video.